Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Pay Later in Zepto. First, open your Zepto app and head to the payment section. You'll find an option to add a new payment method there. Select Amazon Pay Later from the list. Then, you'll be prompted to securely log into your Amazon account to authorize the connection. This process usually takes less than 1 minute to complete, ensuring a smooth setup for your future purchases. Once your Amazon Pay Later account is linked, shopping on Zepto becomes even more convenient. Simply add all your favorite groceries and essentials to your cart, just as you normally would. When you're ready to finalize your order, proceed to the checkout page. Here, you'll see Amazon Pay Later listed among your payment choices. Select it, confirm your order details, and your purchase will be completed in just a few taps. It's important to understand your Amazon Pay Later limits and repayment schedule. Your specific spending limit is set by Amazon based on various factors. Generally, repayments for your Zepto purchases are due by the 5th day of the month following your purchase. You can easily track your outstanding balance and due dates directly within your Amazon application. Making repayments on time is crucial for maintaining a healthy account and continued access to this service. Using Amazon Pay Later with Zepto offers several advantages. You can enjoy the flexibility of interest-free payments for up to 30 days, which is a great benefit. It also helps consolidate your Zepto purchases into a single, manageable monthly bill. This feature is particularly useful for urgent grocery needs when you prefer not to use immediate cash. Remember to always review your spending to ensure it aligns with your personal budget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.